Hey there, if you're watching this video, you've probably encountered a situation where you have a contact form in your Webflow project and you want to add a message box so that the user can submit a message alongside their form submission. So what you do is you would duplicate one of your already established input fields. So I'll select this email input and I'm going to duplicate it using the shortcut Command D or Control D, and I can update the label to say message. Then I can select the input and go into my settings and change the name to be message and the type to be plain text. I then can go back into style and give it a combo class to make it a larger input box. So I'll give it the combo class of is larger and give it a minimum height of 11 rem. And this looks like it should work as intended. But watch what happens when we go and preview this. So if I click into this message box and start typing, you'll notice that it's typing in the middle of the input box. And this is not aesthetically pleasing. Well, the reason that this is happening is that this input is actually the wrong type of input for a message or paragraph. So if we go back into designer mode, where we have the elements, I'll scroll down into the form category, and what we're using right now is the standard input, when in reality what we want is the text area. So we don't want this input for a message box, one of the longer paragraph submissions. We want this text area. So with this input selected that we want to replace, I'm going to use the shortcut Command E or Control E and add in the text area. And I'll give it the same class name. So I can say form underscore input and give it the combo class that is larger. I'll then go into settings and give it the name of message. And for the placeholder, we can just say type in your message. And I'll delete that old one. And now watch what happens when we preview this time. You'll notice that the message is typing at the top like as intended. So there you go, a quick fix for that issue of the text typing in the center of the input box. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.